Okay? And then you can see it when he's done, okay? Gotta be patient. Alright? Uh-oh. Now I don't want to go at all. There it goes. See it in there? Is it wiggling? It looks like it goes back. For a second.
Mm-hmm.
See how it clicks in there? Mama waving at you? Mama wave at you? Wave at Mama. Mama Linda, wave at her. Over there. See her? Is that Mommy?
Right here, Kaden.
Wave at Mama.
Say hi.
Wave.
I need that one.
Wait a minute. Papa's not done yet, okay? He's trying to fix Grandma's clock. That's better. It's going slower. Now it's speeding up again. I still think it's a little bit slower.
It's ticking.
Yeah, it's ticking.
I need that light.
Wait a minute. Don't go very far with it in case Papa needs it.